Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today this is just going to be a quick video and I will be showing you how to stamp your nails, and this is going to be a very beginner friendly video. So without further ado, let's begin. So the color that I used in these nails is from Triple D and it is called Mint Julep. I really love this color. It is super nice and perfect for the spring and summer. And when you open the jar, this is how it looks like. I love it. I love this color so much. And then I also do all my filing and shaping off cam already, activated and all that good stuff. So now I'm just going to proceed with the products that we will be using. So first, this one is the sticky base coat from MANIOLOGY. You really need this one when stamping. So this is a nice product to use if you don't like to use your LED light or your lamp. And then of course you will be needing your stamping polish. So again, stamping polish is different from the regular nail polish. This polish is really for stamping. And this one is the MANIOLOGY Clear Jelly Stamper, and I'll be using two stamper, one MANIOLOGY and the other one is smaller. And of course you need your scraper card. This stamping plate is from Amazon. I will be putting all the details in the description box. And this one is of course the lint roller and the other one is acetone. So basically those are the things that you'll be needing. So first I'm just going to apply the MANIOLOGY sticky base coat. So when you apply this sticky base coat, you want to wait for 30 seconds before you stamp your nail. So I will be using this stamping plate, and then for the polish, this one is from MANIOLOGY. It is called Teardrop. You really have to be generous with the stamping polish that you put in the plate or in the design so that you can pick the design properly. So I'm just going to scrape it, and then using the jelly stamper, I'm now going to pick up the design in a rolling motion. I'm going to use this lint roller to clean the design. You can also use Scotch tape and then stamp it on my nail. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to do the rest of my nails. Basically it's just the same process, so I will let you guys watch and I will be back. And this is after I did all my stamping, and as you can see, it is really for the nature because today is Earth Day. So now it's time to add the gel top coat. And after that, I am just going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I did add a water slide decal off cam, and this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to add a cuticle oil, and this one is from Scales of a Mermaid in the scent Hug in a Mug. And this is the finished look. I am really loving this design. It is perfect for the Earth Day that we are celebrating today. So I will be putting all the products in the description box. Thank you so much again for watching. See you next time.